Why do some people heal incredibly fast, while others struggle with even the smallest wound? Two people can receive the same cut, same treatment, yet recover at completely different speeds. This isn't luck. It's hidden biology. Your body has a built-in healing system shaped by genes, blood flow, immunity, and lifestyle. Today, we reveal why healing speed is so different. Your DNA plays a major role in how quickly your body repairs itself. Some people inherit genes that make cells divide faster, control inflammation more efficiently, or produce stronger growth signals. Others naturally have slower repair pathways. These genetic differences explain why two people with similar habits still heal at completely different speeds. Healing begins with your immune system. Immune cells clean damaged tissue, destroy bacteria, and release chemical signals that trigger repair. But lack of sleep, stress, or nutritional deficiencies can weaken this response, slowing recovery. Strong immunity means fast healing. Weak immunity means more swelling, more inflammation, and longer recovery times. Blood flow is the engine of healing. Every drop carries oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and immune cells to damaged areas. When circulation is strong, wounds close faster because tissues receive everything they need to rebuild. But areas with weaker blood flow, like feet, shins, or fingers, naturally heal more slowly. Age makes this difference even more noticeable. Younger bodies have faster cell turnover, stronger microcirculation, and higher collagen production. Your daily habits directly influence how fast your body heals. Deep sleep releases growth hormones that repair tissues. Chronic stress increases cortisol, slowing regeneration. Nutrition matters too. Protein, vitamin A, vitamin C, zinc, and iron are essential building blocks. Good habits can double healing speed, while poor routines can delay recovery by days or even weeks. Chronic conditions like diabetes, anemia, and autoimmune diseases can slow healing by weakening circulation and immunity. But even healthy people vary because of genetics, sleep, stress, and nutrition. Your body repairs itself every moment, but your speed is unique. So here's my question. Do you heal faster or slower than others? And what do you think affects it most? Comment below.